Okay, so today is August 23rd, 2008. Go ahead, Petey, right through. Right through. Oh! Good one, Michael. We'll get that next. Okay, once again. Ready, Petey? Go ahead, throw it. Use underhand. Go ahead. Go, do it. You can do it, Peter. Through the hoop. Oh, just missed.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
Petey, try it like this.
Okay. Here's what I need everybody to do. Take a look at the ground.
Over. Good.
White for the road.
Okay, underhand. Go way up.
Please step on it.
Whoa, good, 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 good. All right. Let's see if I can help. Ha.
Okay, guys.
The end.